Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. This is day 7. 1 week in. I'm so excited that you're here. I know it's bright morning. My shades have gone dark. And here we are in the bathroom. I love the bathroom. I love that there's light. And remember, bathrooms are not a bad thing. Bathrooms in our modern day age is all part of our self-grooming. So the more bling that we have and the more light and the more shine brings that energy in when we're getting ready to present ourselves for the day. So take a note to at least once a week, do the toilet, wipe everything down, bring some sunshine in. I've got a few crystals in here that are bringing rainbows in this morning, and I'm very excited about that there. And that'll show up a little bit more. There they are on one of my other blogs that I have here. So this is the last day in the bathroom, and then we're moving on to the common areas. So I guess in a lot of homes, this is a common area. So maybe everybody needs their own little compartment, their own little drawer, their own little spot to put their stuff in. So that's some of the organization that you need to do. So just a couple little pointers here as well. We've got, can you see all the way down there? Yep, you can. Okay, here's an organizer here. I've got a little towel rack just over the edge of the door here. I found that in the kitchen department, and it gives another little hand towel thing. You're not using up all the shower towels. I've got a little caddy here under the sink so things don't fall over. That's really annoying trying to dig for these things. It has stuff like calamine lotion and insect anti-itch stuff, some rubbing alcohol, some first aid products here, miscellaneous items, big thing of Q-tips, and of course don't forget to look after your first aid, bandages. I've got travel equipment thing in this middle drawer. With the top drawer, the stuff I'm going to use every single day. So I only have to go into one drawer to get ready for my day. And of course, I've got a few little assorted things here that are too tall to fit into the drawer, but they look nice as well. I've also left a spot in the bottom drawer to put my hairdryer, and that fits in right here. Don't forget to do around the shower. I know I have seen houses that are literally lined up coast to coast around their bathtub. Don't let that happen to you, okay? Remember, this is self-care. The way you keep your bathroom, if it's messy and cluttered, you can't really get ready in the morning to present yourself as the professional, wild woman that you really, really are. So let's tidy it all up, shine it all up, and present ourselves for the day. Magic can happen, and we'll see you tomorrow.